It's a basic question, but it can feel surprisingly important, especially in today's world where spam calls and robocalls seem to plague our inboxes. So, if you're using a virtual phone service like Grasshopper to manage your business calls, you might be wondering, does it offer caller ID? The answer, thankfully, is a resounding yes. But Grasshopper's caller ID goes beyond just showing you a random string of numbers. It actually offers a range of features that can help you manage your calls more efficiently and professionally. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything Grasshopper has to offer when it comes to caller ID. We'll explore how to see who's calling, customize what information displays, and even leverage caller ID for a smoother call experience. By the end of this video, you'll be a Grasshopper Caller ID Pro, ready to take control of your business calls and identify those important contacts with ease. Breaking down Grasshopper Caller ID. Let's start with the basics. Grasshopper displays the caller's phone number by default whenever you receive an incoming call. This allows you to quickly identify the caller, whether it's a returning customer, a potential new lead, or even a personal contact. But Grasshopper goes a step further. It also integrates with various caller ID services that can provide additional information about the caller. This can include the caller's name, location, and even their business affiliation. Think about it. Instead of seeing just a number, you might see John Smith from Acme Incorporated on your screen. This extra layer of information can be incredibly helpful, allowing you to personalize your greeting and tailor your approach to each call. Customizing your caller ID experience. Grasshopper understands that a one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work for everyone. That's why it offers a variety of ways to customize your caller ID experience. Here are a few key options. Caller name display. You can choose whether to display the caller's name, number, or both. This allows you to prioritize the information that's most important to you. Blocking numbers. Feeling bombarded by spam calls? Grasshopper lets you block specific numbers or entire number ranges, ensuring you only receive calls from those you want to hear from. Custom greetings. Depending on the caller ID information, you can set up custom greetings that personalize the experience. For example, you might have a different greeting for known contacts compared to potential leads. Advanced caller ID features for power users. For those who want to take their caller ID game to the next level, Grasshopper offers some advanced features as well. Call recording. With Grasshopper's call recording feature, you can capture every call, including the caller ID information. This can be helpful for reviewing important conversations, taking notes, or even training new team members. Transcriptions. Feeling overwhelmed by listening to recordings? Grasshopper can automatically transcribe your calls, providing a text version of the conversation complete with caller ID details. Visual voicemail. Want to see who's leaving you voicemails without even picking up your phone? Grasshopper's visual voicemail feature displays caller ID information alongside the voicemail message, making it easier to prioritize your messages. Leveraging caller ID for a smoother call experience. By understanding and utilizing Grasshopper's caller ID features, you can create a more streamlined and professional call experience for both you and your callers. Here are some ways to put caller ID to work for you. Improved response time. Knowing who's calling allows you to prioritize calls and respond more quickly to important contacts. Increased customer satisfaction. Personalizing your greeting based on caller ID shows your callers you care and value their business. Enhanced team collaboration. Sharing caller ID information with your team can ensure everyone is on the same page when handling calls. Grasshopper doesn't just offer basic caller ID. It provides a comprehensive suite of features that empowers you to take control of your business calls. Whether you're a solopreneur or managing a larger team, understanding and utilizing Grasshopper's caller ID functionalities can significantly improve your communication efficiency and professionalism. So, the next time your Grasshopper phone rings, don't just answer blindly. Use the power of caller ID to identify, prioritize, and personalize your calls, leading to a more productive and successful business operation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.